Hey everyone, and welcome to not a slightly inebriated room tour this time, because we just got off a 4-hour flight. Although we did have a lot to drink on the flight, so we are technically a little bit inebriated. Anywho, we're here in Athens. We're at the Wyndham Grand Athens Hotel in the centre of Athens. This is a 5-star hotel. Again, we have been upgraded, and this time we have been upgraded to a executive room with a city view. So the room is a double bed, and as part of the upgrade you get complimentary water, tea and coffee making facility, so it's like an Illy style espresso machine. There is a TV, small desk area, chair and a comfy chair. There are power sockets littered throughout the room, so there's one just down here by the desk. There's 2 on this side of the bed, there's 1 on this side of the bed. There's your standard retro telephone that you tend to find in hotels throughout Europe. There's these nice little lights, LED lights on each side of the bed. In fact, the lighting throughout the whole room, it's very modern and very fresh. In terms of the view, so it's a city view, so we've got a view of the Acropolis just over there on the horizon. Moving on to this side of the bed, so this is your wardrobe area. There is a full-length, huge mirror, yet again brilliant for taking selfies. On this side of the wardrobe, there is a fridge which isn't stocked, some glasses, slippers, a few amenity kits, and then on this side you've got extra pillows, ironing board, bathrobes, safe, and somewhere to store your luggage. The room does have air conditioning, which is a relief because we're in October at the moment, but it's still quite warm here in Greece. Moving down into the bathroom area, really fresh, nice, modern bathroom. Large mirror with good lighting, again, great for taking those selfies. Sink, toiletries, loads and loads of towels provided. There's a nice deep bath with what appears to be roots toiletries. There's a large walk-in shower, and lo and behold, it's another rainfall shower. Now, I'm not really sure where I stand with rainfall showers because they are great, they do feel good, but you just don't get the same kind of pressure that you get from having a wand. So I do like a wand, but I also do like having a rainfall shower. So in a couple of days, we're going to be boarding Explorer of the Seas. We're really excited about this cruise. We've got a quite nice suite. I think it is officially the largest suite on the ship, with the exception of one being the Royal Suite. So there'll be a room tour coming up of that in the next few days. But in the meantime, like, subscribe, and smash that button.